Hey guys, today in this video I am going to show you how you can apply logo in this carry bag. First, you have to save a copy of this file. Rename it to Displace and click on Save. Import the logo in Photoshop, then place the logo where you want. Go to Filters, then Distort and Displace. Don't change any value and click on OK. Now, select the PSD file that you have saved. After selecting, hit OK. You can see we have achieved the effect. But you can give it more realistic look by changing the blending mode to hard light. You can set blending mode according to your image. So, let's take one more image. Let's import the image and the logo. As you can see, the logo is not matching the perspective. To do that, go to Layers section, hold the Control key and click on the logo thumbnail. This will create a selection of the logo. Now hit Ctrl+C to copy the pixels. Now create a new layer, go to Filters and click on Vanishing Point. Now create a frame where we want to match the perspective of the logo. After creating, hit Ctrl+V, it will paste the copied logo. Drag the logo into the frame. This will set the logo perspective according to frame. Adjust according to your need. After this, hit OK. Now click on logo and change the blending mode to soft light. Create a copy of the logo layer and take down the opacity to 30%. Here you can see logo has been matched. Hope this video helped you lot. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel so that you never miss any video from this channel. And also follow me on Instagram. I will mention the link in the description box. Thanks.